Hey everybody, this is Madison here at the Mission Bend Branch Library, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own custom top hat. Here's what you'll be needing for today. A top hat, some colorful feathers, I've got some leafy garland, plastic flowers of your choice, I got these little butterflies, a hot glue gun with some glue gun sticks, and I got these little birds that'll go on top of the hat. It's important to note when you do a top hat, it doesn't have to be specifically what I'm doing. As long as you have a top hat, you can pretty much put anything you want on it. Let's get started. The first thing you'll do is get your top hat, and I'm gonna use my feathers first. And I have my hot glue gun plugged in, heated up, and ready to go. So what I'm gonna do on the side of the top hat, I'm actually gonna glue these 3 feathers on like so. To give you a reference, it'll kind of go like that. So I'm gonna put the glue on the stick of the feather and just lay it flat on top of the hat. And I'm gonna keep my finger on it for a minute so it can dry. And I'm gonna repeat it for the other 2 feathers. This is what it will look like so far once you've glued the feathers on, and we'll be covering up the sticks later on. So the next thing you'll do, using the leafy garland I got, I'm gonna glue around the rim of the hat all the way around. Still using your hot glue gun. And we can start. I'll just put a little bit in the front like that. And I'll just lay the leaves on top of the glue and just hold down for about a minute so it can dry and stay put. This is what our hat looks like so far with the feathers on it and the leafy garland on the brim. Like that. So what you'll do next with the other leafy garland, I'll do the same thing and hot glue it around the top of the hat. Now we got the other leafy garland glued up on the top of the hat. Now what I'm gonna do next is glue our little birdies on top of the hat. And just hold it down for about a minute until the glue dries. Now the next thing I'm gonna do is use my plastic flowers, and I'm just gonna start gluing them. I'll first start gluing them right here to somewhat cover up the sticks. Start off with the first flower, and you can put the flowers wherever you want on the hat. and continue to hold down on the item with the glue on it for about a minute until it dries up. I got my flowers glued on. Obviously, I didn't use all of them, which is perfectly okay. But you see how I use the flowers to cover up the sticks of the feathers. You can put them anywhere you like, by themselves, in a little group. It's your call. So the final thing I have to add are my little butterflies. And just like the flowers, you can add them anywhere you want. So we can start off with this little guy. We'll put them right there. And just press and hold until the glue dries. So this is our final product of our top hat. I got all the butterflies glued on there, a majority of the flowers, our feathers, our garland, and our little birds at the top. Let's put it on. Like that. I think the Mad Hatter would approve of it. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make your own top hat today. What I would like you to do is take your phone out, open up the camera app, and there's a QR code you'll see right here. When you use the camera app and scan it, it'll take you to our Facebook page directly, and there's a lot of videos on there. And subscribe to our YouTube channel, and there are so many videos on there by the wonderful staff with the library system that I think you'll enjoy very much. I can't wait to see you all again very soon, and I hope you have a good day. Bye-bye.